Hi, I'm Deepika Padukone and you're watching me on MissMalini.com. I think for me, my brand associations have always been an extension of my personality, and I think Vogue does exactly that. It's a fun, cool brand. It's in vogue, it's stylish, but at the same time practical also. I believe. I think I have a pair of sunglasses for every mood, every look, every season, and even as far as the optical frames are concerned, sometimes I genuinely need them because I can't see things that are at a distance, but I also think that some of their colors and shapes are so fun. Sometimes I just wear it because it's cool. Because I do know that there is a big demand for Naina Talwar's chashmas that she's worn, especially in the first half, and it feels nice. It feels nice to know that I've managed to set a trend, and I know that wearing optical frames was something that was looked down upon in a sense. People always thought that it was geeky, nerdy, and people shied away from it. But I think thanks to the film, and also when you have brands like Vogue Eyewear that give you such a wide variety and range, I think it's perfect. The campaign, I think the brand was very sure with what they wanted to do as far as the campaign was concerned. We did 3 looks for the sunglass range, and we did 3 looks for the optical range. And while Vogue is also about being stylish, it's keeping up with trends and very today. We've also made sure that it's very relatable. When you see the campaign, you want to go out there and buy a pair of sunglasses or a pair of optical frames. And I think that is key to any campaign, for it to be relatable. I think my personal style has always been comfort over anything else. Yes, I think it's important to be trendy. I think it's important to know what is in style, but to never lose your own personality. To be yourself and to be comfortable in whatever you wear. If you ask any of my co-stars, they'll all tell you the same thing. I really eat a lot, but I think it's about balancing. Not overdoing anything, and balance your diet with exercise. And there's Chennai Express that's coming up on Eid. Finally, after 5 years in this industry, I managed to play a South Indian girl. I play a Tamilian girl in the film, and the film is a romantic comedy, Rohit Shetty style. It's Shah Rukh and me coming back together after Om Shanti Om, and that's about it. The film releases on the 8th of August. Message to my fans, first of all, thank you for all the love and appreciation that you've been giving me over the last couple of months for all the films that I've been doing. Believe in yourself. Yeah.